What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here with my OLALA 6000 milliamp power bank. You know I hate being stranded without power, so I love checking out these power banks, especially with integrated cables. They are just super nice. And let's see, I guess this is a sleeve, so I can roll this off. And just like getting anything undressed, easier said than done. Oh, there we go. All right, and then let's open up this box here. Oh my gosh. Seal is most definitely not broken. All right, so there we go. As you can see, true unboxing. Feedback card, ooh, shiny white. Beautiful. White plastic, OLALA on there. It looks like we have little LED lights here to tell us the charge state. Micro USB port in here, a USB port out for charging your other devices. The integrated cables right here, and this one is Lightning because I use Lightning stuff, Apple stuff. And as you can see, it's only a little kind of corner opening. So if I pull this out, that's how that comes out. That's how we get some slack on it. So that's kind of cool, and then I can kind of push it in. Huh, interesting. That's kind of different and novel. It seems to stop right there, so I won't pull any harder on it. We have a gold band. It seems like plastic all the way around. And then we have a power button right there. I'm gonna hold off on hitting that just a second. All right, so now I'm gonna hit this power button, little chrome power button you might be able to see right there, and I'm gonna see if we get a little power state indicator. So it looks like it's 75% charged out of the box, which is nice. 6,000 milliamp hours, and look how small this thing is. It's, you know, here, let me just compare it. Here's an iPhone 6 Plus, so it's a larger iPhone. You know, it's probably about the size of the standard iPhone, so it's not particularly big. In fact, here's an iPhone X. And if we throw that on top of it, pretty similar, even a little smaller than that. Just a little thicker though. All right, so let me see if this little bad boy works with this iPhone. So I'm just gonna plug it in here first. And then I'm gonna hit the power button. Boom, look at that, transferring power. So this OLALA power bank is absolutely handing off juice to my phone. And whether or not you have an Android or an iPhone, you could probably throw an iPod or a iPad maybe even in there, trickle charge that. But how awesome is it to have an extra power bank on you, especially this winter when it's cold and dreary and you might get stuck on the side of the road. And if you're stuck in your car for hours, losing power would be really, really sucky. So pick one of these up before your next vacation. I'll put a link to this OLALA in the description below. Peter von Panda, out!